And Jagaba is a title he got from Borgu in northern Nigeria. That shows his pan-Nigerian credentials. The economy has turned the corner. When we assume the mantle of leadership, to borrow his own words, the economy was under the weather. But he's a man of courage and conviction. Fuel subsidy has been an albatross around the neck of successive governments in the history of this country. He had the courage. He had the audacity of hope from day one to remove the fuel subsidy. The tax reform bill, the collapse of the opaque multiple exchange rate begins. And I want to convey to you a message from the president. He's feeling the pains of what Nigerians are going through. But no matter how long the rain is, no matter how long the night is, it will give way to the light of the dawn. Stormy, the weather might well be, but it won't rain forever. I believe good times are here. The economy is picking up, jobs are being created, and in the coming months, Nigerians will reap bountiful harvests from the far-reaching